Hi, this is Deb with Blue Sea Star Designs. Thanks for watching today. So today I'm actually trying something out new. The Fabric Hut has titanium coated rotary cutter blades. And so they kindly sent me a sample to try. And so this is going to be my review of trying it. I'm kind of excited. Based on their website, what they said is the blade is made out of steel, a SKS-7 tungsten steel. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I'm assuming that's strong steel. And then they put a titanium coating on it. And they say that the titanium coating allows the blades to last 6 times longer than a regular blade. So I'm kind of excited because I hate changing the blades and risking cutting my fingers. And they also, the Fabric Hut has a 60-day guarantee, so you can go try them out yourself. And if you don't like how they work, then you get your money back. And I just checked the website. Looks like the blades are on sale right now for 50% off. And so you can get a 10-pack with a storage case for $37.50. So let's open up the package that I got from them and then try them out. So they just come in a little mailer. And let me put my glasses on. Okay, and then here is the Fabric Hut 45mm titanium coated blades. And their information says that it can go into any cutter. So let me pause this, scan before I make the first cut, so just see what instructions they have on there, and then I will show you how my old blade is doing, cutting a couple eyed things. This is just, I recently quilted this on the long armors, so I squared up my quilt, and it's just little pieces of batting and leftover fabric that I'm gonna try out. And then also I have some strapping that I need to trim down, so I will try it out on these 2 items. So let me go read their instructions and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Mainly the information for the QR code just says that the blades are stored in oil, which is similar to your other blades. And then just to clean the oil off, moving from the inside out. So here is my old blade. And as you can actually see, I was having a hard time cutting. It definitely needs replacing. So this is a blade at the end of its life, and I really had to push down. I've heard these, you don't have to push down as hard. And I have, didn't cut the bottom one very much. A bunch of stitches. So very excited to see this. So let me swap out the blade. I have a little sharps container. I can throw that in. And I don't know if you subscribe to my newsletter, but one of the tips I have given on my newsletter is to take an old bubblegum container, because it's got the little pop open lid, and that is the perfect place to put your dull rotary blades or dull sewing machine needles so that they don't cut anybody in the trash. Okay, so here's the blades are out. I'm sliding one. I'll put the rest back. I know it's kind of chunky or clunky to use the paper towel to get it out, but I have sliced my fingers before changing a blade. So get off all the oil. Okay. Still have a little dust on there. This is my first time changing this blade. It has to go in one direction only. It's the first time for a rotary cutter I've had that. All right, so our blade is changed. And it's a nice gold color. And let me see how this works. Oh wow, yes. So this is the one where it was kind of tattered and then it didn't cut it straight here. And this just did a nice, perfect, smooth, straight line. Maybe the side's better. Do a couple more. Completely cutting every time. Wow, this is very nice. So then let me try a harder object or harder thing. So this is some strapping. And let me get my, whatchamacallit. Whatchamacallit's called a ruler. So let me line these up. One round, perfectly cut, nice and easy. Nice straight edge. So I really like these. Nice and sharp blade. I mean, when you replace it, let me change the camera. So I'm not sure if you saw this, but nice straight edge for some strapping. And let me do but it didn't have any resistance cutting through it. Now, anytime you change a rotary blade, it's going to be nice and sharp for the first few times. So I plan to make a follow-up video and let you know how long a blade lasts before it starts to need to be replaced and start skipping cuts. So far I really like the blade, and thank you to the Fabric Hut for letting me try it out and review it. I didn't pay for the blades, so I'll be upfront with that. But I will put an affiliate link below for you to get your own blades if you want to try them out. But so far, I'm really pleasantly surprised and pleased with them. They worked very well. So thanks for watching, and watch for the follow-up when I see how long does the blade actually last. Does it last 6 times longer? So have a good day.